So welcome to the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. I am Professor Robert Nagri, Dean of the Faculty. This faculty has been in existence for the past 2 decades and has churned out a lot of graduates who occupy middle to top level management positions in industry. In terms of staff, and the faculty is blessed with high caliber of staff. The faculty is well resourced with facilities to be able to give practical training to students to have the necessary competencies to work in industry. Currently, we run more than 20 programs at the MTech level, degree level, and then diploma level, cutting across oil and gas engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, automotive engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, and then energy and environmental engineering. We're also looking forward to introducing pre-engineering program to cater for non-science students to prepare them for a year before they can start the degree or HND program.
This is a young department that came out from the existing or the traditional mechanical engineering department. Last year, that is starting from the 2021 to 2022 academic year, we wanted to train students in the area of automotive and we wanted to be more focused. So there was a need for this separation or this new department to be formed out of the mechanical engineering department. And our main objective is to train well-skilled automotive engineering students who can be able to handle modern onboard diagnostic tools, who will be able to determine or who will be able to identify and rectify faults without going through the trial and error process. We have diploma, 2-year diploma program that you can be admitted or you can be enrolled. In the HND, we have regular, we have the weekend. In the HND too, we have the matured requirements, that 25 years and above. In the BTech, we have regular 4-year.
Currently, we run 2 main programs. The 2 programs we run currently are Building Services Engineering and then Renewable Energy and Sustainable Engineering. The Building Services Engineering helps students to become project supervisors, building services engineers, and then all the big or huge buildings that we have, the scientific aspect of managing those buildings, that is what we teach our students about. And then when we talk about the renewable energy, that one also, you see the world is now drifting to renewable energy, where people decide to generate their own power, and then they will no longer depend on the grid system. So we teach people on that.
This department was created not long ago. It's about 3 years old. It is our aim that we're going to also design Bachelor of Science in Petrochemical Engineering and also Master of Science and then Master of Technology in Oil and Gas Engineering Department. The aim for the design of this particular program is to train students, graduates with relevant skills needed to perform professional tasks and research in the oil and gas industry. We also want to create a progressional path so that students on completion can continue their studies to the MTech level and also PhD levels. Foreign applicants can also enroll onto the program. Currently, we even have students from Gabon and Equatorial Guinea. So foreign applicants all over from Africa are also welcome, so long as they have their proficiency in English.
In terms of our method of teaching, we're practicing what we call the competency-based training. And so hands-on skills and hands-on experiences take the center stage of our training. The students spend 6 months in the industry, which is mandatory, where they are placed under various disciplines to be able to have the necessary hands-on skills. The department runs the following programs: 3-year Higher National Diploma, which is HND in Civil Engineering. We also have a 4-year Bachelor of Technology in Civil Engineering, and then a 2-year Bachelor of Technology, which is a top-up and then a weekend program, also in Civil Engineering. And then lastly, we have a 2-year Master of Technology in Water and Environmental Engineering.
In the Mechanical Engineering Department, we run different programs under the following options: Mechanical Plant Engineering option, Mechanical Manufacturing or Production Engineering option, Mechanical Metallurgy and Foundry option, Mechanical Materials and Metallurgy option, Mechanical Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning option, and Mechanical Welding and Fabrication Technology option. As such, we run different levels of the programs, as mentioned above. I must say that if Ghana is supposed to be developed to the level that we all require, our foundry base should be strong. When you come to the Mechanical Engineering Department, we run all these programs.
Chemical engineers are involved in design of industrial processes and formulation of chemical products, and are also involved in operation, quality control, and management of chemical industries. Since the establishment of the department, we've introduced several programs that enable students to pursue higher laurels. Notably, we have a Bachelor of Technology program, which is a 3-semester program, which enables HND students in chemical engineering and allied departments to be able to pursue Bachelor of Technology programs. We also have a 4-year Bachelor of Technology program in chemical engineering, and presently we also run a Master of Technology program, which allows students to pursue advanced research in specific areas in chemical industry with involvement of industry. And we are also looking at developing a Doctor of Technology program.
This center is dedicated to the development and promotion of renewable energy resources in the country. Presently, what we are doing is to provide, support, provide training for the, artisans or stakeholders within the renewable energy value chain. And so we have several units under the center. We have a unit dedicated for the development and promotion of bioenergy systems. We have a unit that is also focused in on the development of solar. We have a unit on wind because we know that we do have some wind potential in Ghana, and so we have our group of experts who are working assiduously towards the development of wind energy in the country. And then finally, we are also into the management of demand side management of energy. So we have a unit that is also dedicated to energy audit, energy efficiency in institutions, in buildings, and of course even in the energy utilization space. We provide a lot of support to enterprises. We provide a lot of support to institutions, organizations that want to develop one form of renewable energy or the other.
In addition, we attach them to industry to gain industrial exposure before they graduate. So on that basis, I want to strongly recommend parents and youth to make Kumasi Technical University a #1 choice for quality education and training. Thank you.